Welcome to HardReset.Info channel, dear viewers. In front of me Alcatel Cat for LTE device. Now I'm gonna show you how to insert SIM card into this router. So firstly, you need to insert micro SIM card. So no, I have nano SIM and I need to create from nano SIM mini SIM. So to do it, we need to have this part from the SIM card and insert the SIM card into this card. Or if you have mini SIM, so you can use just normal mini SIM. But I have this adapter to use nano SIM in this router. Then just open on the right part of the router the slot for micro SIM card from the SIM card and insert it in this way and press until you will hear the click. Close the slot and wait a while until your router will detect the SIM card. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, like this video, subscribe to our channel, and bye, see you!